Hi, I am Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today, topic name AMCAT test pattern, Section B, Logical ability or reasoning ability. About AMCAT test pattern, we have four modules. Number 1, quantitative aptitude. Number 2, logical ability or reasoning ability. Number 3, general English or verbal ability. Section D or module number 4, technical ability or coding test. We have four sections in AMCAT test pattern. First section and second section, A and B, two modules or belongs to aptitude. That is quant as well as reasoning part. But today module name logical ability or reasoning ability. Test pattern, subtopics in logical ability. A total number of questions, either 16 or 25, maximum 25 or 24. Time duration, one question 1 minute, either 16 minutes or 25 minutes. A time duration maximum only one question 1 minute. Next, topics in logical ability, general topics in reasoning, but most of the questions are belongs to in logical ability. Prepare only average to basic level, basic to average. The type of questions only important to section B. You no need to concentrate advanced level. Out of 100 percentage, 5 to 10 percentage of the questions are belongs to advanced. 90 to 95 of the questions are belongs to only basic to average level. In next target, section wise cutoff marks applicable. Each section maintain 60 to 70 percentage and above. Then only first round completed in AMCAT test pattern. In next important topics in logical ability, coding and decoding, letter and number concept, series, classification and analogy. Next, direction test. Next, important 5-star topic in logical ability, puzzle test or data arrangement. One puzzle in AMCAT test pattern, minimum 4 marks compulsory. The topic based on only analysis power, logical based questions only important to puzzle test. Next, important logical deductions or syllogism, statements and conclusions. That models again important, minimum 2 to 3 marks only, logical deduction topic. Next, data sufficiency, sufficient or not. And next, important decision making. Decision making topic important to logical ability, maximum and minimum only 2 marks. That is compulsory topic in logical ability. Next, figures concept, that one easy. Find next figure or odd man out figure or similarity figure. This is about logical ability syllabus. Next, sample questions in logical ability. Write question number 1. Here first one, if result is coded as SFTVMU, then exam is coded as dash. A first one which is belongs to coding and decoding by using letter concept. First you write letter numbers LHS and RHS. Find the difference. Same difference apply the given question. That process is called coding and decoding. But in logical ability, a number of logics exist. Answer it's not unique, but answers are always depending only given options. First given problem, find the logic. Same logic, apply the given statement, verify the options. The logic available exactly correct. If not, then go to another method, another logic. That is called reasoning concept. First example method. Here R number 18, T number 19 plus 1 difference. Second EF plus 1. Third ST plus 1. Complete this problem, increased only 1. This is logic of given statement. Same logic apply the given question, given problem, that condition. Here E number 5, E next letter F, X next letter Y, A next letter B, M next letter N. Then answer FYBN, option C only correct. But answer must be unique. Your entire statement is a following perfect sequence, then only that is answer of the given example. Next. Second, choose the odd man out. Odd man out is also called as classification. Both are same meaning. Odd man out, topic, logic. 4 options are given, or 5 options are given. 3 options are following same logic. 1 option does not follow that logic. That is called odd man out. Suppose in number concept, find the odd man out. Option A 2, next to option B 3, next to option C 9, next to option D 13. You find the odd man out, but don't apply the sequence method. Sir, 2 next letter 3 plus 1, 3 next letter 9 plus 6, 9 next to plus 4. This method, it is not the correct method. Option is nothing but one type. Option is nothing but answer. 4 answers are given. 3 answers are following same logic. 1 option does not follow that logic. That is called odd man out. Method. Here 2 is called prime number, 3 prime number, 13 prime number, but C is not a prime number. So option C only correct. Second method also correct. Option A is also correct. Reason. Here B, C, D are called odd numbers. A is a even number. That method also correct. In reasoning, a number of logics exist. It's not unique, but can't always exist only unique answer. But second example, a triangle means 3 sides, square means 4 sides, pentagon means 5 sides, and circle there is no sides. So answer option D only answer. Remaining 3 options contain sides, but this is no side. That is called odd man out. That is called different option. Next example number 3, number series. Find the next number. Next example number 4, number analogy means similarity. Example number 3, 6, 9, question mark 24, 36. Number series means sequence of numbers is called number series. Here frame the series. If the problem is following a perfect series, that is only answer of the given example. A series, first one 6 comma, next 9 comma, next 24 comma 36, next logic, difference 6 plus 3 9, 24 plus 12 36. Next suppose 6 plus 9 15. Next check the series. Next 15 plus 9 24. 3 plus 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 is a perfect series, then option A only correct. A first one 3, double 6, 3, next 6, next 9, next 12, gap only 3. In next fourth example, this is called analogy concept. Using numbers is called number series method. 985 is 874, then 763 is dash. Method. First method, check the difference, but the first method, difference method. Second method, multiplication operator. Third, square number and cube number. Fourth, near to square number and cube number. These are the logics in number analogy concept. But next, fifth logic, consider only sum of the digits LHS and RHS part. This example, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 5, 22. Sum of the digits is equal to 22. Second one, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 22, 19, gap only 3. Next, similarly, 7 plus 3, 7 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 16. Next, we want to gap only 3. 16 minus 3, 13. Sum of the digits is equal to 13. That option only correct. But option A, 6 plus 4 plus 1, 11. 5 plus 4 plus 2, 11. 7 plus 2 plus 2, 11. 6 plus 5 plus 2, 13. This option only correct. This is about analogy concept. Analogy means similarity. One statement is given. In that statement to find the logic. Same logic apply the given question. That process is called analogy or similarity. By using symbol notation. But it is not a proportion. The definition different. Proportion means product of extremes is equal to product of means. The definition different. But this is called analogy concept. Suppose using proportion. 2 is to 8, 2 is to 8, then 10 is to x is dash. By using proportion, product of extremes is equal to product of means, calculate only x variable. But in reasoning, not like that. A reasoning ability means one statement is given 2 is to 8. If 2 is 8, then 10 is dash. Method 2 into 4, 8. 10 into 4, 40. 40 is called reasoning ability answer. But quant, a 2 by 8 is equal to 10 by x. A 2 by 8 is equal to 10 by x. That answer is equal to 40. But this question only possible. But not all examples, Nana. But method, analogy, concept, similarity. One statement is given. Our other example. Suppose 6 is 12. Then 20 is dash. 20 is dash. Okay, 20 is dash. Here option A 10. Next to B 30, C 35, D 41. If you apply proportion condition, a proportion means 6 by 12 is equal to 20 by x. Then 6 into 1, 6 into 2, then x is equal to 40. By given options 40 not available. This is about quant solution part. But reasoning ability, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Similarly, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Option B only correct. This is about the difference between reasoning ability and quantitative ability. Reasoning ability, that complete module depending only logics. Quantitative ability, that complete module depending only principle, that is only important to quant part. But in reasoning ability, answer it's not unique. In quantitative ability, answer must be unique. Next, example number 5. From the given, select the odd man out arrangement. Given arrangement, select odd man out. Option A, B, C, D. Rearrangement statements. Rearrangements, this indicate football. Next, option C means cricket. Rearrange the statements. Option D, tennis. But B is not a game. Option B only correct. Rearrangement the letters. A, football. B, C, cricket. D, tennis. But B, it is not a game, that is called odd man out. A sixth example. A boy is facing northwest direction test concept. He turns 85 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction, means irrotational, and then 50 degrees in the same direction. Which direction is he facing now? Important. A, southwest. B, southeast. C, south. D, north. A direction concept, this is depending only diagram, only important, with directions arrow marks only important. Conditions, one direction is equal to 45 degrees. Next, rotational, irrotational, clockwise and anti-clockwise. A left to right, that position is called rotational. Right to left, that position is called irrotational or anti-clockwise direction. A method, total we have 8 directions. East, north, next south. This arrow mark only important to this topic. Okay, right. Next, east, next west, northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. This is the first point. In notation, a total 8 directions. 8 directions frame as one circle. 8 directions is equal to 360 degrees. One direction is equal to 360 by 8 is equal to 45 degrees. Second note, left to right is called rotational. Right to left is called irrotational. This is called basic information. Next, apply the given statement one by one. A boy is facing northwest. This is called first point, northwest. He turns 85 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. We know that one direction is equal to 45 degrees. This is called anti-clockwise direction. A 45-90 near to southwest. And then 50 degrees in the same direction. Again anti-clockwise direction 50. That is 45 degrees plus 5. 50 degrees. This arrow indicate south. Option C only correct. This is about a direction test topic procedure. Method easy. This rotational is called anti-clockwise. This rotational is called This rotational is called clockwise and reverse is called anti-clockwise or irrotational. You blindly left to right is called clockwise. Right to left is called rotational or anti-clockwise direction. Next, seventh example, also same method using direction concept. In AMCAT test pattern, logical ability, minimum 2 marks only, direction test concept. In direction test concept, we have 3 methods. First method, calculate only distance. Second method, find the direction with respect to the starting point or final point. Step next number 3. Find the angle direction with respect to clockwise or anti-clockwise. Total we have 3 methods. In your exam 2 marks. But these 3 models are depending only diagram. That too using left and right direction. 7th example. A Sagar walks 30 meters west. Suppose this is called starting point. This is called west direction by using diagram 30 meters. This point to find out only left and right. But second statement left and walks 10 meters. This is called left 10 meters. And then next again takes left. This point left means this is called left 40 meters. But above distance only 30, below 40 both are not equal. Next this point to find left and right, left 20 meters. This point is called final point. Here important to only check the distance equal or not. But this distance is 30, below 40 not equal. This side 10 meters, this side 20 meters not equal. This point is called final point. This point is called starting point. Here question is find the direction with respect to the starting point. Here question is belongs to starting point. In which direction is he standing now from the starting point? From starting point you draw the line. This arrow indicates only northeast. Option A only correct. This is about 7th example method. Similarly, same example, find the direction with respect to the final point. From final point you draw the line. This arrow indicate southwest. Option C only correct. Only 2 models. Either calculate starting point or calculate final point. By using these 2 concepts, 1 mark. Next, 8th example, puzzle test or data arrangement. There are 4 questions based on the same puzzle. Answer the questions based on the given information. Statement number 1. There are 5 friends P, Q or ST. A first person's always constant, write in sequence order. A P, Q or ST. This is belongs to puzzle test. Type 1 classification, just draw table. Each one is proficient is one of the games, namely chess, badminton, tennis, cricket and hockey. Third point, second column games. Second column games. Third column, each one owns a different colored car, namely white, blue, black, red and green. Third column color. This is complete depending only 3 conditions: persons, colors and games. By using this information, draw table. Table completed. Next fill basic information. 4th statement, S plays cricket and own a red color car. This one completed. S game cricket. Next color red color. That is clear information. Q does not play either chess or tennis. Condition. Own neither blue nor red colored car. Next 6th one again clear information. T game. A T game badminton. Color black color. Next again 7th condition. P does not play chess and owns a green colored car. Next P color green. This is called basic information. Here first statement completed. Second statement completed. Third statement completed. Next 4th statement and 6th statement completed. Pending only 5th one and 7th one only pending. Next table, color green completed, red completed, black completed. Pending only white and blue. Only two colors only pending. Now check fifth point, color condition. Q neither blue nor red. Neither nor. These two are not possible. But total 5 colors, 3 colors completed, and blue also not possible. Remaining possibilities only white. Then Q color only white. Here remaining all completed except or green completed, white completed, red completed, black completed. Here remaining color only blue, then R color only blue. This is called color concept. Your next game concept, again using fifth statement and seventh statement. Sixth statement, Q does not play either chess or tennis. But chess complete not possible, tennis not possible, cricket not possible, badminton not possible. A total 5 games, a chess, badminton, tennis, cricket. Remaining possibility only one game, that is only hockey. Your next statement, P does not play chess. P does not play chess. Remaining game, that is tennis only possible. Then P game only tennis. A remaining only one game only pending. That game, a chess completed, cricket, badminton, tennis. A pending only chess or chess. This is about answer of the given puzzle. But one puzzle, 4 marks, 4 questions, 4 marks. One of the most important topic in logical ability. There is no formulas here. There is no simplifications here. This question based on only way of thinking. That is logical thinking. Very simple. Everything is given. First target, fill basic information. Next check conditional statements. That puzzle depending only two conditions. Basic and conditional information. In this puzzle answer, P tennis green, Q hockey white, R chess and blue, S cricket and red, T badminton and black. Now 8th question, which colored car Q own? Okay, Q condition white and hockey. Here we want only color white only, correct. Who plays hockey? That is Q, by using this table. Next 10th one, which of the given statements is not required? But here I think all are required. There are 5 friends P, Q, R, S, T. I think that statement not required. The remaining all statements are required. So answer here I think 1 not required. 1 not required. Because total 5 friends, 6 friends, 3 friends not required. It required only persons, games and colors. Next, identify the incorrect pair. Means wrong answer, wrong option. Here first green tennis, right, correct one. Next white hockey, exactly correct. Next green chess, no, that is not correct. Chess blue only correct, but not green, option C. This is about puzzle test method. One puzzle, 4 questions, 4 marks. One of the most important topic in logical ability or analytical ability or data arrangement. Next topic name, decision making. This type of questions are belongs to decision making, and this is called information and followed by 2 examples. Okay, 12th and 13th, 2 questions only belongs to decision making. But simple topic, information only important. Information. There are 2 questions based on the same data. Answer the questions based on the given information. A marketing company requires a qualified engineer with a management degree. The candidate must check the conditions. First condition, be a graduate, at least 55% marks. First condition, minimum qualification, minimum qualification graduate, minimum percentage 50 marks and above. First condition. Second condition, hold on an MBA degree with a minimum of 50 percentage marks. Next, post graduation MBA, minimum aggregate 50 marks, 50 percentage and above. Third condition, have secured at least 55 percentage marks in senior secondary education, intermediate, minimum aggregate 55 marks and above. But next, note, this condition will be relaxed up to 5 percentage if the candidate has 2 years experience of working with a reputed company. Experienced candidates, relaxation 5 percentage, then 50 percentage enough in intermediate standard. Fourth, should have at least 1 year experience as an engineer. Minimum experience 1 year, profession as an engineer. Next conditions. Except fourth condition, except for, but as an additional diploma in computers or IT is to be referred to the general manager. Diploma candidates referred to general manager. Next, third point, other conditions but as market degree instead of the conditions given at 3. Refer to the managing director. Next, seventh note, age not to be age greater than 30 years. Maximum age less than or equal to 30. Conditions, first, age less than or equal to 30. Graduate 55 percentage. Postgraduate MBA 55 percentage. Intermediate 55 percentage. But experienced candidates only 50 percentage. These conditions satisfied, then answer, the candidate is to be selected, otherwise not selected. Second, exemptions. Diploma candidates refer to general manager. Marketing degree candidates refer to managing director. This is about information of the decision making. A questions in decision making, 12th example. Amir aged 26, age satisfied, less than or equal to 30 satisfied, has done BTech in IT in first class, graduate 55 percentage satisfied, has done MBA from IGNO in first class, a postgraduate MBA first class also satisfied. But minimum that condition also important. Experience 1 year experience as an engineer. But next is currently working with Beta Industries as a technical officer, where he has held this post for last 3 years. Again satisfied. We want 1 year only. Next is scored 56 percentage in the senior secondary examination. Also satisfied. All conditions satisfied means the candidate is to be selected. Option A only correct. Suppose this example, senior secondary means suppose 48 percentage is given. Then answer, candidate is not to be selected. Selected, not selected, difference. All conditions satisfied. Age satisfied. BTech, MBA and experience, all conditions are satisfied. If at least one statement fail in above statements, then write the answer, the candidate is not to be selected. This is very important example. You may write any campus placement exam or competitive exam, minimum 2 marks only, decision making topic. A first one, 12th one, option A. And 13th one, Hari Roy is 27 years old, age satisfied, B.Tech graduate from LP University. B.Tech qualification but percentage required. A percentage, B.Tech percentage, minimum 55 percentage. A percentage not given. If percentage not given, insufficient data, option C. Difference please. Suppose B.Tech percentage 50 percentage given, then candidate is not to be selected. But this statement, a B.Tech percentage not given and MBA percentage not given, percentages are required, that is called insufficient data. If the person belongs to diploma background, then candidate referred to managing director. Next, marketing degree students refer to managing director. This is about decision making topic concept. 2 marks completed. Next, 13th one, data sufficiency. The question, a problem, when is Rahul birthday? Statements. Number 1, his birthday is before 25 and after 22nd November. His birthday is after 23rd and before 26th November. Option A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. B. Statement 2 alone sufficient. C. Both statements put together. D. Not. E. Either 1 or 2. These are called options constant in data sufficiency. Method. Statement 1 after 22nd means 23 possible and 24 possible. After 22nd, before 25th, 2 dates possible, 23, 24 possible. In data sufficiency, consider only exact value but not a possibility value. But statement A implies that Rahul birthday 23 or 24, 2 dates possible. It's not unique. A only, not correct. Similarly, statement 2. His birthday after 23rd, before 26th. After 23rd means 24 possible and 25 possible. Second statement alone also not sufficient because 2 dates not possible. A alone not sufficient. B alone not sufficient. Then combined 2 statements. If you combine 2 statements, common date only 4. Then Rahul birthday is equal to 4. Combined 2 statements put together sufficient. Option C only correct. This is about data sufficiency. Next, 14th example. Again data sufficiency. Same information. Option information same. But problem meaning. So ranks 5th in the class. How many students are there in the class? Statement 1. One of our friend got the 40th rank, which is the second last rank in the class. Second last rank. A second last rank 40, then last rank only 40. Last rank 41 means total number of students 41. A alone sufficient. Here next second statement, her rank from the middle is 17. A middle rank 17. Here before 16 possible. Next after 16 possible. Total is equal to 33. Second one also possible. First one alone, second one alone, that indicate to option A either of the statements. Either A alone to give the answer or 2 alone give the answer. That option indicate to either or. Here next, a 15th example, statements and conclusions. Some dogs are bats, some bats are cats. Conclusions. Some dogs are cats, some cats are dogs. Option A only 1, B only 2, C either 1 or 2, D neither 1 nor 2. Statements and conclusions means logical deduction topic. Using given statements, draw exact Venn diagram of two given statements. Some, all statement, some statement, no statement. This problem which is belongs to only some statement means the common part between two statements. Some dogs or bats. This is called dog and bat. Some bats or cats. This is called Venn diagram. This Venn diagram meaning some dogs or bats, some bats or dogs, correct. Some dogs or bats, some bats or cats, some cats or bats, exactly correct. This Venn diagram, dog and cat relation not given. If relation not given, then no dog is a cat individually not correct. If relation not given in logical deduction topic, select the option maybe, but diagrammatically no relation exactly correct but not logically. This belongs to logical deduction, think logically. If relation not given, select the option maybe. Maybe not given, maybe indicate to either or. Either or means no dog is a cat, some cats or dogs, that combination is called either or. Either or always exist only no statement and some statement. The two statements are individually not correct. That combination only correct. That combination is called either or. Here either or answer. Either no dog is a cat or some cats or dogs. That is called either or. But this example conclusions, some dogs or cats individual not correct. Some cats or dogs individual not correct. These two are not correct, neither nor only correct. Suppose first statement, no dog is a cat is given. No dog is a cat, some dogs or some cats or dogs, that two combination is called either or. But first statement some relation, second statement some relation, but either are not correct. You have to check individual, but these two are individually not correct. Then answer option D only correct. Either are important. Similarly, check the second diagram also. First possibility, second possibility. This first possibility, second possibility, and verify the statements. Must you check two Venn diagrams. If it is correct, that statement only correct. This is about statements and conclusions. Next, either or means anyone only exists. Suppose either 1 or 2. Example, x minus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or 5 means if x is equal to 2, x minus 5 not equal to 0, x not equal to 5. If x is equal to 5, x not equal to 2, anyone exists is called either or, but not both. So neither nor means both are wrong statements, but not either or. Either or means x is equal to 2 or 5. A 0 into 0, that is not determined. Method 0 into something is equal to 0. If x is first part is equal to 0, second part not equal to 0. If x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x minus 5 not equal to 0. If x minus 5 is equal to 0, then x minus 2 not equal to 0. That is called either or condition. But here, this example, there is no either or possibilities, then that is not correct. Option D only correct. This topic also very important deduction topic in AMCAT test pattern. Minimum 2 to 3 marks only deduction topic. In logical ability, very important topics. Most of the questions are belongs to in reasoning ability for AMCAT test pattern. First one puzzle test, minimum 4 marks. Second deduction topic, minimum 2 marks. Direction topic 2 marks. decision topic 2 marks, data sufficiency 2 marks. These are very very important. Remaining topics concepts are very simple. That concepts are depending only either letter concept or number concept. This is about AMCAT test pattern in logical ability. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.